In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow camera permission on Chrome. If you're trying to join a video call, record something online, or use a web app that needs your camera. But Chrome keeps blocking it. Don't worry. I'll walk you through exactly how to turn on camera access and make sure it works smoothly. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Then go to the website that needs to use your camera. This might be a meeting platform, a recording tool, or any site that pops up a message saying it needs camera access. It's important to actually be on that site while you change the settings, because Chrome lets you control permissions for each website individually. Once the site is open, look at the very top of the browser on the left side of the address bar, where you see the website link. You'll notice a small icon there, usually a lock symbol. Click on that lock. A small menu will appear, showing you a list of permissions, such as camera, microphone, notifications, and so on. In that menu, find the option labeled Camera. Next to it, you might see it set to Block, Ask, or Allow. If it's set to Block, that's why your camera isn't working. Click on that drop-down and change it to Allow. If you see Ask and you'd like Chrome to always let this particular site use your camera without asking every time, you can also switch it directly to Allow. After changing this setting, you usually need to refresh the page for the change to take effect. To do that, click the Reload button next to the address bar, or press the refresh shortcut on your keyboard. When the page reloads, the site should either automatically access your camera or prompt you again at the top of the screen. If you see a pop-up near the top asking to use your camera, click Allow. If it still doesn't work, double-check that the correct camera is chosen in Chrome's main settings. You can do this by clicking the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, going to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and then Site Settings. Under Permissions, select Camera, and make sure the right device is selected from the drop-down, and that sites are allowed to ask for camera access. Once that's set, go back to your site, refresh again, and your camera should now be working in Chrome.